there, everyone. It's your Jamaican girl, Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. So come on, people, join me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you chicken and potato Jamaican style. Hi, my whimsical family. Welcome to my kitchen. Of course, on the chopping board, I have 2 leg quarters that I have removed the bone from. I've deboned them, seasoned them, let them well marinate, guys, and I am ready to stuff the pockets. Now to the pocket, I will add some chopped onions. You don't have to have it in any particular design. It's really up to you. I will add to that some fresh thyme leaves, some ginger, and some garlic. Now this, people, is what will give it its extra zest. I'm going to add to that some green bell pepper. And of course, guys, it's time to add the potatoes. Now, any amount of potato can hold in your pocket is what you put in it. If you're going for low carbs, then just go for a small amount. But guys, if you can manage and you want a big belly full, it's up to you. Just load up your chicken. If you are new to my channel, welcome, 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 welcome. If you are a new subscriber, you are in the right place. You're in for an exciting cooking experience with me. If you have been watching week after week and have not subscribed as yet, we are waiting for. Hit that subscribe button and of course hit that like button and tell them to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so every week you will be notified as soon as I upload a video. Alright, family and friends, it's time to get cooking. So in my frying pan, I will add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now people, this done smells delicious already. To that, I will add my 2 chicken leg quarters, well stuffed, well seasoned, well nice up. I'm gonna add to the oil some ginger, some garlic, add some onion to this, cover it down, people, and let it slow fry. Now guys, the aim is to cook it while frying. Now family and friends, we have just celebrated love, and that brings me to the food for thought. It comes to us from 1 John 4 verse 19, and it says, we love him because he first loves us. Now I want you to know that our love for God is in response to the love that he had for us first. We are incapable of loving God first, and that is why he extends his hands of love to us, and he loved us even when we did not deserve it. All right, guys, let's go back into the pot. Now see the people, it's browning nicely on one side. I turn it over, guys. Remember, keep your heat on low so that you can both cook and brown your chicken at the same time. Look on this, nice and pretty, and the pot is not burned. So that's what we want to get. Now guys, you know, every week we have to send some love to our friends and family and our subscribers who are celebrating birthday and anniversary. Remember, Wims love you with all my heart. So it's time to nice up the pot, people. So I'll add my jalapeno peppers, my scotch bonnet pepper. People, may I gotta add some onion, some bell pepper to this. Next, guys, I will add the remainder of the potato sticks. It's 1 potato I had cut in sticks. And guys, I will add the remainder of this to the pot. I got about a 1/4 cup of brown gravy sauce. You can choose to use any stock, anything that will cause this to simmer and cook in the potato them just for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I will add a tablespoon or maybe 2.5 teaspoons of Maggi sauce. I'm gonna add some allspice, some cracked black pepper, some tomato ketchup, people. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley. You can add like a basil, cover it, make it simmer, people, and it's all done. So guys, after about 3.5 minutes, people, it's done. It look good, it smells delicious, and I will plate this just for you. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Now people, look at the close-up of this. It looks so inviting. Trust me, people, I'm gonna dig into this and let you see how exciting this meal is. You can serve it to your children, you can serve it to your guests. It makes a wonderful lunch, and the presentation is just inviting. Now people, we have a complete balance of flavors in this. Onions, the garlic, we have the ginger flavor coming through. It's all lovely, guys. The potatoes on the inside just complement the potatoes on the outside with the right amount of crunchiness, and this is just a wonderful meal. Thank you for spending the time with me in the kitchen, where I did for you cooking Jamaican style. It's bye until next week, where I have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. See you next week, guys.